Hello, I found this set and a few other sets in my closet after being stored for about 2 years. I had taken them out of my storage about 6 months ago and put them in a closet. Found out that they were retired. I decided to open this one up and build it. So I'll be doing a review on this retired Star Wars Imperial Shuttle after this. Okay, I just opened this Lego set and I'll show you in real time as I dump the bags out. Alright, I got this set a few years ago and looked it up, and it is retired. It's probably about, I believe it's 3 years old. I opened the box myself and I realized maybe I should film this. So let me see the date. 2021, I found it. Yeah, it's the Imperial Shuttle from Star Wars. It's 75302. So I had all this stuff in storage. I sealed them up with tape, and I broke the tape so I could open it, and I realized maybe I should film this. So I'm going to go ahead and open the box again and pour it all out and just see what is involved in it. Here you go. There it goes dumping. And that's all the bags right there. Now with the book. And I believe the book, yeah, the book does come in plastic this time, which they don't do that very much. I'm actually going to keep the book in the plastic. It's worth more. I have it digital already. So there are, I believe, 6 bags. Make that 6. Yeah, there are 6 bags total. So I'll get to building it. Okay, now I've worked on this for about 2 hours, and being the very first Lego Star Wars I've ever built, I really enjoyed building it. It's much larger than I expected. I especially like the fact that the wings move up and they fold down, and they can be open to put minifigs in. This here. Okay. It also comes with Luke and Darth Vader, or Jedi Luke, and it also has 2 shooters right here on the side, one on each side here, which I don't even use. And it can also be used. You can also hang it up. The way you do that, you can open this up, which is strong enough to hold it, and there's a hole right there you can put string through, along with the back right here. There's a hole right there. You do a little V line and then a single one up. So now the locking mechanism seems pretty strong. I mean, I can hold it up like this, pretty good, and hold on pretty good. There are 6, what do you call them, circle elements used for the engines. There's 3 on this side, 3 on the other side, and then with transparent fluids on the back. These here tend to get bumped once in a while. I think they're like thrusters or something. It also includes angles you wouldn't expect to be in this kind of ship, like these right here. A lot of angles on this thing. And technical elements, which you see from the inside. When you open this up, you see a lot of technical elements in there. And that's assembled in the first bag. Then you begin with the second bag. And on the second bag, you build the outer shell, like this cab right here, and along with these angles, and then the body itself. And the wings, I believe, are on the 6th bag. There are 6 bags total. So it's a very fun build. It's the very first Star Wars I've ever done, so everything was unexpected. I was actually very excited about building this. So, but that's my review. Let's turn this around so you can see it a little better there. Good little shot of it right there. I've got my remote for my lights. So yeah, that's my review. It's very simple. Took me about 2 hours to build it, maybe a little less. I can show you something else here. If you look on the bottom, you can see a lot of technique. Got my dog in the background there, shaking around. A lot of technical elements there. Pretty much of a frame right here. That's your main frame that holds the whole thing together. There's also some internally too that holds onto that. You can see part of it right there and part of it right there. That's your main frame. And when you hang something like this, you always want to hang it. Technical elements are pinned in. You don't want the bricks obviously to fall right apart. That's why I suggest those two areas, either both or at least this inside one here. This one here. Now if you hang it there, I kind of hold it right here, you kind of get an idea of what it'll do. It'll kind of do that kind of thing, tip a little bit. It's like look like it's going up. That's exactly what it'll do. Maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. You definitely don't want to hang it from the back one, obviously, by itself. But you can hang it from that one and then connect to the back, and that'll help to bring it up this way if you want it straight, you know, that kind of thing. I intend to hang this in my city along with the rest of the Star Wars sets that I found retired. I got about 1 or 2 other ones. I'm gonna build those and do some reviews on those too. This retailed, I believe, for $49.99 back in 2021 when it was first released. But now it's probably worth at least double that. Being Star Wars, probably maybe more than that. It is not the only one with Darth Vader. I believe there's other Darth Vaders and other sets. He's got the red lightsaber. You got Jedi Luke with the green lightsaber. Also comes with a little gun for the guy inside here, which actually doesn't even attach in there in reality, like normal like cars or vehicles. He actually lays down in there. So I don't know why that is, because you can't even see out the windshield. So yeah, that's my review, and I hope you like it, and stay tuned for more of those videos, and like and subscribe so you'll get notifications when I upload a new video, and leave a comment. Let me know how you like this video and if you have any suggestions, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.